A plastic welder is a machine that helps fix broken plastic parts more cost-effectively than replacing the broken item. Plastic welders can fix broken garden furniture, toys, kayaks, car bumpers, etc. These welders will soon pay for themselves. The glue repairs often crack if the plastic flexes and an inadequately formed weld is solid and permanent. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best plastic welder you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Jownjip Plastic Welding Kit. With the Jownjip Plastic Welding Kit, many customers were thrilled with its value and efficiency for plastic repairs. The welder helped customers fix kayaks and automotive parts, with customers praising its quality and how many accessories were included for a quick DIY auto or plumbing plastic repair and arts and crafts. The 80-watt airless welder heats up to 525 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with 20 plastic welding rods that can help repair an array of plastics, including a car bumper, dashboard, canoe, kids' riding toys, and recycling bins. This mesh can fabricate thermoplastic tabs, fill holes, and provide reinforcement. This is a plastic welder for fixing cracked bumpers and other plastic stuff. The DIY welder kit includes 5 PC aluminum repair tape, sandpaper, 20 plastic rods, 2 welder tips, 2 reinforcing stainless steel wire mesh, 1 iron stand, and 1 wire brush. Number 6. Altern D970324 Upgraded Version 110V100W Plastic Welder. The Altern D970324 Upgraded Version 110V100W Plastic Welder can be used as a standard airless plastic welder, melting rods into splits or cracks to form a repair. It also can heat metal staples embedded into the plastic components, holding them together with tremendous strength. Plastic can then be smoothed over the top to conceal the staple and provide a neat finish. This is an ideal solution for cracked bumpers and dashboards, and it can also be used for motorcycle fairings and luggage, lawn mower decks, etc. The 100W gun is well balanced and heats up quickly. An LED work light built into the front helps users see their work in dark areas, and overload protection prevents overheating. The Altern Hot Stapler Plastic Welder comes in a good case with a utility knife, snips, 400 assorted staples, and 2 plastic welding rods. It meets the European CE standard for safety. Number 5. Bondic Pro UV Resin Kit Liquid Plastic Welding Kit. The Bondic Pro UV Resin Kit Liquid Plastic Welding Kit uses a unique approach to repairing plastic, which strictly speaking isn't welding. This method can still provide effective repairs with unrivaled accuracy. The fine tip of the Bondic Pro of liquid plastic to a crack or break. The Bondic stays in liquid until cured with the included UV LED light, allowing for molding and shaping of the material before setting to bond, fill and weld in ways traditional glue cannot. When dry, which takes just seconds, it is non-toxic, heat-resistant, and waterproof. Users can then sand and paint the repair if necessary. The Bondic Pro can repair wood, metal, rubber, ceramics, and fabrics. The Bondic Pro system is more effective than most glues but does not fully bond plastic welding, so repairs don't have the same strength. The tool comes with 2 tubes of adhesive in a neat metal case. Number 4. Polyvance 5700 HT Mini Weld Model 7 Airless Plastic Welder. The Polyvance 5700 HT Mini Weld Model 7 Airless Plastic Welder is high performance, comprehensive content, and a valuable storage case. The 200W ceramic element is more reliable than metal alternatives and delivers the consistent heat necessary for high melting point materials. A straightforward dial controls variable temperature. The temperature control can be removed from the carrying case for more mobility. Weld high melting point plastics quickly and easily with the 200-watt element. With 7 types of standard welding rods, you can match virtually any type of automotive plastic. The Polyvalence Mini Weld Model 7 has 1 general purpose tip, speed welding tip, reinforcing mesh, and wire brush. There are 8 welding rods, each for a different type of plastic. The set also includes a pack of Fiberflex, a unique hot melt adhesive that adheres to any plastic substrate. Number 3. Oimeri Plastic Welder Kit. The Oimeri Plastic Welder Kit. Multiple customers were impressed with the ability to complete various welding tasks. This tool was for how well it can fix cracked plastic. This 30-watt hot stapler plastic welder gun has 5 adjustable heat levels and an LED indicator. The weld experience when using this 30W hot stapler plastic welding kit. This tool's welding process includes using heated staples along with the plastic, ensuring that the plastic is still flexible. The bumper welding kit heats unique staples and perfectly welds staples and plastic together while maintaining the flexibility of plastic. This plastic stapler gun with an LED indicator will let you quickly and easily repair the broken and damaged plastics of automobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, and boats. This plastic welder kit has 1 hot stapler, cutter, triangle electrode, power line, and a pack of 800 staples. Number 2. Foliv Plastic Welder. The Foliv Plastic Welder is faster, better and more energy efficient. Foliv 200W Plastic Welding Kit was high power enough to heat the staple in 1 to 3 seconds, easily welding cracked and damaged plastic parts, bringing back together perfectly. Strong for shock and twisting after repairing. It can save your time and money. It's a totally versatile repair tool. This 2-in-1 plastic repair kit can not only repair car bumper fenders. The equipped 2 types of plastic welding rods can also be used to repair various plastics such as ABS, PP, TPO, TP, etc. This plastic welder kit included all the necessary accessories: 1 welding machine, 1 smoothing tip tool, 1000 PCS hot staple, 16 plastic welding rods, 5 aluminum sheets, 5 wire mesh sheets, 1 sponge sheets, 1 pliers, 1 utility knife. It is a SAM, light, portable, but very powerful hot stapler machine. Foliv new design adding cooling system can efficient last using time longer. The staple is notched for easy clean snap off. Number 1. Vevor Plastic Welding Kit. The Vevor Plastic Welding Kit provides 2 power options, 70W and 150W. 70W setting is ideal for repairing and welding thin plastic materials, while 150W mode is suited for more complex and thicker plastic connections. It contains a welding gun, a storage case, a knife, pliers, 56 PCS 7 types plastic welding rods, 600 PCS 6 types staples, 5 repair meshes, 2 sponge sands, 5 aluminum repair tapes, and 2 iron welding tips. Operation is straightforward. Select the right staples or welding rods, place them with the brass bracket, power on, and watch as they seamlessly integrate into the plastic. Post-welding, tools like pliers, scrapers, and sponges can be used to refine and beautify the welding area. The built-in fan blows away fumes, avoiding direct inhalation. LED headlamp also gives you better visibility in the early dark. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.